Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. I hope you and your family are doing fantastic. In this video, you guys, I am going to show you how luxury meets comfort. Yes, you guys, you heard me right. You are a Glam Squad, or if you tune into this video, I know for sure you love luxurious, beautiful glam home decor throughout your house. However, when it comes to the bedroom, I don't know about you, but for me, not only I love luxury, but I also love comfort. So if you are like me, I need you to go down in the comment section and type up amen, sister. Okay, you guys, to do that, I partner up with Iptem. They sent me the beautiful, luxurious bamboo silky bedding set. I don't know if you guys heard about them before, but I'm going to present to you what I call luxury meets comfort in the bedroom. So without further ado, let's get started. I almost forgot to mention to you guys, they are so kind. They're gonna be giving a bedding set to one of my Glam Squad. So stay tuned at the end of the video to find out how you can win the set. So now let's get started. Let's talk about presentation. This is how they package the bedding set. It is inside a very nice pouch, and on top of it, it has the name of the company, and it came with this card that talks about what's inside the pouch. The bedding set came with one fitted sheet, one flat sheet, and two pillowcases, and it is a king size for me. Once I pull out the fitted sheet, the first thing that I noticed, it says where the long side is located and where the short side is located. You know, sometimes you have a fitted sheet, you have no idea which part of it is what. So I thought that was pretty good from them. Also, it says the product has been tested for harmful substances. Once again, that is pretty good to know. The bedding sets are made out of bamboo and they are organic, you guys. Who cannot use a little bit of organic products lately? They are satin fabric, not satin, but satin sheets, and they have a very beautiful luster. If you stop by for the first time, once again, my name is Dalou. Welcome to the Glam Squad family. I share home decor, cleaning, and DIY videos. If you are into these things, please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. And a big thank you to all of you, my fellow Glam Squad, for stopping by today. I am so grateful.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving.
This is a comforter. It's not too thick. It is perfect for spring and summer season. I also love the color of the items. They are white, but they're not snow white. It is a very modern white. The color is very close to what you're seeing on the video. But let me tell you guys, I love, love, love the feel of these items. They feel so good. Of course, you know, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. Check them out along with the coupon code GLAMSTYLE 10 to 7 additional 10% off on your purchase. And please keep watching. Later on, I'm going to let you know what you have to do to win a bedding set.
Can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
The duvet cover also came in the pouch. It came with two shims.
I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
Normally, I am not a fan of duvet cover because it is so annoying to get the comforters inside of them. I just learned a super easy way on how to do that. If you guys want to know the trick that I've learned to get the comforter inside the duvet cover, please let me know. Type up duvet in the comment section. The trick that I've learned was so easy, I even managed to get 2 comforters inside the duvet cover. I love to use 2 comforters inside the duvet covers because it makes the bed look fluffier and more luxurious. I had to iron everything because everything was super wrinkled. That's the only thing I don't like too much about the set. Maybe because it is bamboo, that's my first bamboo set, I don't know. And I think it's gonna get wrinkled very easily even with daily usage. But I have to tell you, last night when I slept on the sheets, it felt so good. I also got a beautiful lumbar pillow cover from them. It is a velvety fabric. To complete the look, I bought these beautiful pillowcases and pillow insert from Amazon. I really love them. The inserts are 24 inches and the cases are 22 inches. From Amazon, I also got a nice throw. I'm gonna have it on the bed as well. You know how we do, no decoration of mine is complete without something super glam, and for that I'm using a beautiful glam tray from Home Goods. Inside the tray I'm going to have a little bit of greenery, a crystal vase, a candle, and a portrait of my husband and I. And we are done.
This moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
Guys, let me know if you want to see the rest of the decor in the bedroom for spring. If you do, tap up spring bedroom in the comment section. Now, let's talk about the giveaway. Big thank you to Ipten for sending me this beautiful bedding set. I really enjoyed them. Remember to check them out. The link will be in the description box and use the code for your additional savings. As I mentioned earlier, one of you will have the opportunity to win a bedding set from Ipten. Yeah! Okay, all you have to do, we're gonna keep it very simple. Number 1, leave a comment below, let me know that you are interested. Of course, you have to be a subscriber. Number 2, share this video on Facebook and tag me at Glam Squad with Dalou. On May 23rd, I am going to reveal the winner and I will be contacting you via Facebook. Good luck to all of you, and I cannot wait to see who the winner is. So if you have not subscribed, I am asking you to please take a moment, subscribe. And to you, my fellow Glam Squad, please continue to share my videos on Facebook and with a friend. My goal is to get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I'm not gonna be able to do it without you. I need your help. Subscribe, share, whatever you have to do to help me reach my goal. I will be beyond grateful. Big thank you to all of you for stopping by today. I am so happy, so grateful that you are here. I'm looking forward